Psychological facts about women that most men are unaware of. In today's video, learn about these 4 signs of how to know if she's already come. Number 1, don't press. If she didn't come, she may never get it if you keep pushing. Don't keep asking her that. Which for her will be terrible and consequently for you, if you realize that it is nothing more than an act. Number 2, signals. There are certain perfect signs to know if a woman has come. If her little friend gets very wet, and starts to swell more than normal and a contraction occurs, she definitely enjoyed. You can easily check this after the act discreetly, or feel her little friend wet more than lubrication. Number 3, touch sensitivity. Another very effective way of knowing if the woman has come is to touch certain parts after the act. It will certainly be much more sensitive to the touch. She will possibly ask you to stop, as she will already be ultra sensitive and exhausted. Number 4, redoubled attention and affection. One of the ways to also identify if she made fun is to see how she acts afterwards. If she's all happy, like she's the happiest woman in the world, that means she came. Otherwise, if she's distant or acts indifferent, it's quite possible that didn't you satisfy her. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.